What's up guys, today's video is on the best welding helmets. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Viking Welding Helmet. Lincoln Electric's new Viking 3350 provides the best clarity and optics among welding helmets with top quality features. It's rated 1111. This rating means that the image won't be distorted or alter in any manner. But the light transmission and color are similar to those of that of the SAB Sentinel A50. This means that Optral or Miller have an advantage in transmission against that of the Viking 3350, which is worth noting because the 3350 is more costly in comparison to that of the Miller Digital Infinity. However, many welders favor Lincoln's 4C technology and they have excellent quality of color. Lincoln created the Viking 3350 for heavy-duty work that goes beyond precise welding. The shell is robust and comes with simple, low-profile designs. The hood is able to be sprayed with molten and sparks every day and last for several years. Additionally, Lincoln Electric redesigned the headgear using an updated K3034-4 model of the 3350. It is now more comfortable and simpler to adjust. Be sure to buy the matte black version instead of the glossy model. The old helmet had the same quality of light transmission and color, however, the headgear was an issue for many welding professionals. Number 2. SAB Variable Shade Helmet. If you're a professional or require a top-quality welding helmet that has a stunningly low cost, then the SAB Sentinel is the best choice. It's the cheapest professional helmet specifically designed for high-end use and precision TIG welding. The Optral Panoramics as well as Miller Digital Infinity are better in terms of color and light transmission. Therefore, it is clear that the Sentinel A50 does qualify as an auto-darkening welding helmet of the highest quality. The quality of the view is excellent with TIG welding. A bluish-blue tint as well as clear image allows you to get the smallest tiny details. It is easy to spot the most subtle bubble and burn or know the presence of inadequate gas shielding coverage. SAB created every part of their Halo helmets to provide greater comfort and adjustability from beginning. Sentinel A50 matches the comfort standard of the top welding helmets manufactured by Miller as well as Optral. However, it is a bit smaller than the Sentinel A50 is not well designed for those with big heads. The size of your head is a matter of opinion, and you may want to think about opting for an Optral helmet if been unable to find the right hood to accommodate your head. Number 3. Miller Digital Infinity. Miller's Digital Infinity is an iconic auto-darkening model used by professional welders around the world. The price is higher than that of the Sentinel A50 and has slightly more light and better color transmission. The welding helmet is tough and is able to withstand a lot of abuse. It doesn't require any pampering like those who wear SAB as well as Optral models. But 3M offers even more durable helmets. The large lens offers the largest viewing space among welding helmets sporting rectangular lenses. Optral's Panoramic CLT still provides a vastly larger field of vision thanks to its nose-cut design. However, Miller's lenses for replacement are affordable and easily accessible. The most well-known characteristic that is present in the Digital Infinity is its X mode. It activates the Andorran Franks by detect the electromagnetic field that surrounds the arc. Because it doesn't depend on the arc's UV/IR waves that cause false darkening when it is flashed by light sources or the sun in the area of work. The X mode is what makes this the most flexible auto-darkening helmet since it can be welded both inside and outside and not be worried whether you'll be flashed or being flashed. Number 4. Jackson Safety Auto-Darkening Helmet. Translite Plus 555. Translite Plus 555 is relatively brand new welding helmet made by Jackson Safety. It hasn't proved its worth in the long run as other helmets from Miller, Lincoln, SAB or Optral. However, it's not expensive as a true color helmet and is made by an established brand. The hood is designed to have an impressive view that is comparable to Lincoln's Viking 3350. It increases light transmission, specifically with an optical rating of 1111. In addition, this Translite Plus is rated for TIG welding up to 3A. If you don't do careful, precise work, the helmet can activate the Andorran Franks. Both the shell as well as Andorran Franks are light given the size of the lens. But the helmet isn't light. A basic headgear style helps you need to reach in the helmet and adjust the Andorran Franks, however, it reduces the comfort of the helmet. It is the Miller Digital Infinity and the Lincoln Viking have more adjustability and provide a better fit. Number 5. 3M Speedless Welding Helmet. The Speedless 9100 has been rated as the strongest automatic darkening welding helmet. 3M created it to be used in mining, transport, marine, as well as heavy-duty manufacturing. If you're looking for a protective helmet that can withstand the rigorous jobs in harsh environments, the Speedless 9100 is an excellent option. The 9100's cyan Franks has outstanding light transmission and color. It is similar to its SAB Sentinel and the Lincoln Electric 3350. It also comes with the DIN 3 shade, whereas SAB has a DIN 4 rating and Lincoln is a DIN 3.5. The Speedless 9100 is priced roughly the same price that the Optral Panoramic CLT and is less clear. The Speedless 9100 is the best choice for those who require the most durability. Optral and SAB were not able to withstand the same conditions. 3M developed the Speedless 9100 to endure. The headwear is well designed and comes with padded headbands to disperse the pressure equally. However, certain head designs may require more adjustment to locate the perfect place. The helmet comes with an outside grind switch as well as enormous side windows. 3M created the entire design to boost productivity in difficult situations. However, the 3M Speedless 9100 also excels in the field of precision welding helmets because of the top TIG rating currently available. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.